I've been thinking a lot about my career lately. Should I go for an ACCA or an MBA in finance?
I know how you feel. Even I'm stuck between those two. Both have their pros and cons, but I can't decide what is the right fit for me.
ACCA seems great if you want to specialize in accounting and finance. It's globally recognized and very specific.
True that, but then there's MBA in finance. It offers broader business education covering more than just finance. It could possibly open doors to major leadership roles.
Are you aiming for a career in finance but can't decide which path to take? You're not alone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a question many of you have asked us. ACCA versus MBA in finance. Which qualification is right for you? If you're torn between these two paths, stay tuned. We are breaking it down for you. By the end of this video, you should have a clear understanding of what each of the qualification entails and which might be the better fit for your career goals. Let's start with ACCA, which stands for the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. Now, ACCA is a globally recognized accounting qualification that opens doors to various roles in accounting and finance. This qualification is highly specialized, focusing intensely on accounting principles, financial management and ethics. Typically, it takes about 3 to 4 years to complete the ACCA program, but this duration can vary depending upon your previous educational background and the time you dedicate to studying. The ACCA qualification consists of 13 exams that cover a wide range of topics from financial accounting to audit and assurance and taxation to performance management. In addition to passing these exams, you'll also need to complete 3 years of practical experience and ethics and professional skills module. These requirements ensure that ACCA members are not only having theoretical knowledge but also the practical skills needed in the workplace. When it comes to cost, ACCA is generally more affordable compared to an MBA degree. You'll need to budget your exam fees, tuition if you opt for classes, and possibly travel expenses if you need to attend exam centers. However, many find this worthwhile investment given the career opportunities it can unlock. ACCA qualifications are highly valued in many countries, allowing you to pursue roles such as an auditor, financial analyst, and a financial manager in variety of industries. Now, let's talk about an MBA in finance. An MBA or Master of Business Administration with specialization in finance offers a broader and more comprehensive education in business management along with a deep dive into finance. The typical duration of an MBA program is 1 to 2 years, making it a quicker option for those looking to advance in their careers swiftly. However, it's important to note that MBA programs are generally more expensive than ACCA. Tuition fees can be quite high, especially if you are aiming for a top-tier business school. On top of that, you may also need to consider living expenses if you're studying abroad or away from home. An MBA curriculum is designed to equip you with a variety range of business skills. You study subjects such as marketing, operations, human resource, and strategic management, along with finance-specific courses. The teaching methods can often include a mix of lectures, case studies, group projects, and even internships. This blend ensures that you get a well-rounded education that prepares you for various leadership roles in various business environments. Career-wise, an MBA can open doors to higher-level management positions. Graduates often find roles such as financial manager, investment banker, management consultant, or even Chief Financial Officer. The broader scope of an MBA means you're not limited to finance roles alone. You can get into different areas within businesses as you gain more experience and identify your interests. Let's break down the key differences between ACCA and an MBA in finance. First, let's talk about the specialization versus the broad scope. ACCA is specialized, focusing specially on accounting and finance, making it ideal if you're certain for a career in finance fields. On the other hand, an MBA provides a broader business education covering various aspects of business management and leadership, which can be beneficial if you're aiming for a more versatile career. Next, we have time and cost considerations. ACCA typically takes longer to complete, around 3 to 4 years, but it's more affordable. In contrast, an MBA can be completed in 1 or 2 years, but it comes with a higher price tag. This is an important factor to consider, especially if you are balancing work and study or have any financial constraints. In terms of career opportunities, ACCA prepares you for specialized roles in accounting and finance. It's perfect if you want to become an expert in these areas. An MBA, however, can lead to a variety of leadership and management positions across various sectors. This flexibility can be a significant advantage if you are looking to climb the corporate ladder or switch industries in the future. So which one should you choose? It really depends on your career goals and personal circumstances. Here are some questions to ask yourself to help make this decision easier. Do you want to specialize in accounting and finance? If your passion lies in these fields and you enjoy working with numbers, then ACCA might be the right path for you. It's a specialized qualification that can lead to expert roles in accounting and finance. Are you looking for a broader business education with leadership opportunities? If you're interested in understanding various aspects of business and aim to take on a leadership role, then an MBA could be a better fit. It provides a comprehensive education that prepares you for diverse management positions. What's your budget and time availability? ACCA is generally more affordable and takes longer to complete. On the other hand, an MBA is costlier but can be completed in a shorter time frame. Your financial situation and how much time you can dedicate to your studies are crucial factors to consider. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 to 10 years? Your long-term goals can also guide your decision. If you see yourself in a high-level management or an executive role, an MBA might be more suitable. If you want to become a top accountant or financial professional, ACCA could be the way to go. To sum it up, ACCA is great for those focused on accounting and finance, offering deep expertise and specialization. An MBA in finance is perfect for those seeking a broader business education with the potential for leadership goals. Both qualifications are highly respected and can lead to rewarding career. At the end, it's all about what aligns best with your career aspirations and personal situation. Remember, both qualifications are highly respected and can lead to rewarding careers. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more career advice and educational content. See you next time.